Good morning, and welcome to this episode of Small Project Alert. The dress is almost done. I love the way this bust came out. I love the way the arches over the hips came out. I finished a decorative statement piece in the back, and I have a bowl of these little dangles, but they're very stiff. They're old, so they're very stiff, and they're just gonna hang down the dress, but it's very one-dimensional. So I'm gonna make some gold ones on this golden metallic mesh with some gold stones, so I can kind of give it a little more texture than this one here, than these here, and then give them more movement by spacing them out. I believe they used silicone on the back of these, and I'm not using silicone at all. I'm just gonna stone it, cut it, make some space in it so it has movement. And I think it's gonna look really good, but it's pretty. It's very pretty. I love the detail on the bust. The only problem is from afar, you kind of lose the detail on the bust because the cheetah pattern kind of camouflages it in. And I don't like that because I did put a lot of work into the detail on the bust here. But it is what it is. The client already saw it. She loves it. I can't wait to see her in it. I'm doing the smallest of small projects for this dress, and basically what I did was map out 4 inches on this metallic fabric. I think it's metallic stretch Lycra. I'm using size 20 in rhinestones, and I'm putting 15 to 17 of the size 20s just down a line to fill up the back of the dress. She doesn't want bugles. She wanted something similar to these but in gold, so I'm using both. But because the lady who created these ones, she used silicone, they're very stiff, and I need them to have some movement. So I'm using both, but the ones that I'm making on the gold give more movement than the stiff ones, but once you spin it around, you won't be able to tell the difference. So that is what I'm doing, and the end of this center panel here. Yeah, so basically just a row of 20s, 4-inch piece of fabric to mimic the golden shadow one. So the small project is done, which was me adding my tassels, filling in the back. So now the entire back is done. The back, all of the tassel pieces all the way around is done. And it's looking gorgeous. It's a gorgeous addition. Nothing is really hanging over this line. I want to stone that line same way I did this with the smaller ones, or maybe even the size 30s like I did this side. I don't know. The lady is coming to pick this up as soon as possible, so I don't think I'm gonna have time to make a final sequence. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the dress. It is absolutely gorgeous. I enjoyed making it. Overriding the fabric pattern was a challenge for me, but I think it came out amazingly. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.
será mi piel junto a tu piel? ¿Cómo será mi piel junto